What's up guys, Secret Warhead here, and today I'm doing a 4th of July video. Okay, so I've never really done an intro like that, but yeah, it's a 4th of July video, and we're gonna do a bunch of fun stuff. And today on the 4th, we're gonna go watch some fireworks, but tomorrow on the 5th, we're gonna launch some Wait, did I say watch or launch the first time? So anyway, on the first day, the 4th, we're gonna watch the fireworks, and then on the 5th, tomorrow, we're gonna launch them. So, yeah. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna go shoot off some bottom rockets. I think that's what they're called. Bottle rockets. And
to celebrate the 4th of July.
And I have my assistant helping me. So let's get to it.
Big bottle.
Okay, so we're at this table over here, and we're getting the bottle, putting those in there.
First rocket.
First rocket.
Okay. We'll get the other ones out of the way.
Does it hurt if it lands on you?
Yeah, but it's not going to.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Got a lighter? Whoop.
Oh, shoot. It fell over.
Okay.
Ah!
We'll stick the bottle in here. And now it won't fall over. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You got it. Windy.
Go, 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 go!
Okay, ready for another one?
Sure.
Okay. Bottle rockets.
Mm-hmm. Go, 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 go. Whoa. It just pops in the air, so.
Yeah.
It's probably scaring Luna to death.
There she goes.
Yep, she's barking now.
Okay, we'll do just a couple more.
Whoa. Whoa. Go, 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 go. Whoa. Okay.
One more.
Yeah, one more, I think.
Okay. Look how the bottle's filling up with smoke. That's it. Happy 4th of July.
Yay.
Happy 4th of July.
That was pretty fun. Okay, so dinner's almost done. We're grilling some burgers, some beegers. So yeah, that's almost done. And I don't know what they're doing over there. But yeah, I'm gonna do a taste test on the burgers. So I'm gonna do a taste test on the beegers. So yeah. Okay, so I forgot to taste test my burger, my beeger, but I'm making a video, Emma. Okay, but I'm gonna taste test some cherry pie. And here we go. Sorry, I'm not good at Come on. Okay. Big bite. Cherry pie. 10 out of 10. Never mind. Pretty good. Okay, so we're going to shoot some like mini fireworks and we're gonna like go to the neighbor's house on the streets and watch some. I think, I don't know if I'm doing it, but yeah, and we're just gonna shoot some mini ones off right now, and then tomorrow we're gonna shoot our big ones off. So we're gonna shoot some mini ones off. And my assistant, you lost a bottle rocket.
Okay. Let's see how this goes. Whoa.
Holy.
Nice.
That one was the best bottle rocket I've seen. Why is there so much smoke in the bottle? Jeez. I don't know even.
I didn't get that.
What was that?
Whoa.
We're trying to light 2 of the bottle bombs at once. Only got one. Yeah.
Floating down.
There's stuff just floating down.
Ta-da.
I think it was from the bottle bomb.
Bottle rocket.
We're trying to do 3 at once, but I don't think it's gonna work. If 2 didn't work, 3's are not gonna work.
2.
2.
Got 'em.
You got 2. Whoa! Ah!
Fell down here.
There's smoke.
I just had
We're gonna light a kaleidoscope.
back up.
That was. Whoa, whoa, whoa! It's gonna fall down.
When I was a kid. This is not.
What's the bottom of this one? So it's gonna shoot somewhere. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! What was that last one? It was just firing, and then I was like, nope, I'm out of here. Okay, so we're done lighting the mini ones, and we're gonna do like more mini ones when it's darker, and we're gonna do a finale tonight when it's darker too. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so it's really dark, so we're gonna do a couple more of the mini ones and the finale. One finale and 2 finales tomorrow. Wow. Should we run away?
That's fine.
I'm afraid one's gonna hit me. If one's gonna hit me. Ah! Where'd that one go?
Can you film it that close? Are you close enough?
Yep.
Where is he? You're good.
That was ah! That was amazing. That was awesome. And I was afraid he was gonna hit me, but that was awesome. Wow. What's gonna hit me? Okay. Yo, woo! Nice.
Side one?
That looked like over
I
there.
was sitting there.
How was that a side one though? Yo, how was that a side one?
Okay.
That was fun.
They're doing it too.
They're doing them too, yeah. Another bottle.
Oh, dang it. If I knew what that was going to do, I wouldn't have left it on the table.
That's alright.
Whoa! Ah! Ah! Oh my! Oh wow! Oh my! Is it done?
Yeah.
I was closing my eyes so it wouldn't hit me in the eye. It's done?
9. That one is, yeah.
Yeah, because I don't want it to hit me in the eye.
Yeah, okay.
Metal bottle rocket. Whoa, whoa! Oh my! Oh my! This one's long. Okay, so we're done with that, and we're gonna do some more stuff tomorrow on the 5th. So I'll see you there. What's up, guys? It's the next day, and I think we're gonna do some fun stuff again because it's the 5th. We're launching the rest of our fireworks today on the 5th. They're right here. And we didn't get that much this year because we did most of them yesterday, but and we didn't watch any fireworks yesterday. There was some ones we could see from our yard, and yeah, that's about it. And yeah, so yeah, we're probably gonna get like an ice cream place or something later. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so it's already dinner time, and we got Giovanni's Pizza for dinner. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Giovanni's. So I'm gonna taste test it. Let me see if the angle's good. Yeah, it's good. Okay. We're gonna eat some Giovanni's pizza. Okay, here we go. So good. Oh. Oh. Okay, so got dessert. We have a push-up for dessert. So let's just push this straw up. Oh my god. Oh, it's so hard to push up. Oh my.
25, but it doesn't say when it's 25.
Okay, I pushed it up enough. Okay. Cotton candy flavored. It's so good. So good. So good. Okay, so I'm gonna taste a freeze-dried fruit roll-up. Tastes like Fruit Loops. No, I'm just kidding. So good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We're about to do fireworks. Someone just lit off a fire. Someone just lit off a firework in my yard, and I just ran for my life.
Are you okay?
Huh?
Wait to see that on video.
Woohoo!
You're all drunk now.
I was on camera.
That was awesome! And my GoPro does a cool thing with the sky where it's blue.
Oh, you little babies.
They're doing it?
Well, you can see just as good as
Because I see a light. I don't think they're doing it yet.
I'm just trying to see what they're doing.
Yeah.
The lighters by the fireworks. Makes sense.
Oh wait, they're doing it.
They're doing it.
Oh my gosh. I'm scared, Mom. Ah! Woo! Ah! Whoa, that's cool. cool.
Oh, did you hear that one fall back there?
Yeah.
You guys are safer up here by me.
Rain and debris.
Yeah. They're doing it again.
Look at the men run. I've never seen them move so fast.
Ah! Whoa! Whoa!
That's a great placement for that tree right there, Haley. Let me
Yeah.
I was gonna be like, they couldn't just let their fireworks off same night as everybody else did. They had to be different. Go, Dylan, go. Run, Dylan, run.
I don't like it.
He's a big man now.
I don't like it.
Whoa! That was awesome!
Right here. Somebody release the tree.
Whoa! Whoa! Ah! I need to get out of the house!
No, come here.
Ah!
You're okay.
Whoa!
I'm safer behind the tree.
Does it look like it's come angling over this way more than it's been going straight?
Yeah.
Kind of.
Yesterday.
You're in the, right in the line of it.
Oh my
yeah.
god.
You're behind it.
Yay!
Yay!
Go, Dylan.
We're doing 3 at a time. We're doing 3
Run,
at a time.
Dylan, run.
What's 3 at a time? Ah! Run! Woo! Woo! Wait, they get 3 at a time and there's bugs swarming me.
Did you use it?
They got 3 again.
I
They got 3
did.
again.
I used it.
Me too.
Yeah, you could use it.
They hit each other. They hit each other there. Look.
You said I'm around her, so. I can't put the mosquitoes.
Whoa.
That's the part.
Woohoo! Whoa! 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 Ooh.
You like those?
I could
Noah?
see them when I blink.
You do?
And I do like them. It's a plane, but fireworks are better. Whoa!
That's purple. A purple one.
Did you hear him over there say, I like that one?
Yeah.
Can't see it.
I can't see it because the tree! Let's go! Oh, run!
This is the cake too. We don't want
This is a cake! I can see better now! Whoa! 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 Oh, whoa, whoa!
It's over.
Come on! Whoa! 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 Wait. I thought that was thunder. What was that thunder?
No, look at that big old spider.
Huh? Oh crap! Is that a black widow?
No. Not every spider he sees.
The
Only spider he knows. One black widow in my life.
They're doing it.
No, Ollie.
Oh, come on, let us. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, let's go back and.
I'm going back.
Yeah.
Can't see him. Lights on.
Yeah. Woo! 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 They're gonna fall on me! That was cool.
Honey, can you just film one continuous clip?
Oh, I like those. Oh! Oh! Whoa! 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 Yeah! That was cool. 3 of them.
1, 2, 3. There you go.
That one was cool.
Last year. Yeah, but still. This is the ones that always do the big.
Guys, it's like blinding me. That one was like awesome. That one was like cool. That one was a finale. And there's one more finale.
No, wait, we're gonna do like
Woohoo! What?
Dad left it little.
Look at, there was extra sparks in the air. I think, was that one the last one?
They're not the big fancy ones. I like the big ones though, I do.
Oh, I think that was the last finale.
Take one.
I'm too nervous.
Nervous. Say that, right? It's a little tiny.
Kind of like Georgetown finale.
This is one of the mini ones.
That's the one Stacey don't like.
Good job.
Okay, guys, that's it for the 4th of July video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed those fireworks. So, peace out. Wait, I'm getting a little tired.